Good morning, students. In last video, we have discussed about functioning of computer and strengths and weaknesses of computer. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of computer. As you know, computers are sophisticated devices capable of performing huge variety of tasks. Thus, many different type of computers make it possible to perform a huge variety of tasks. Computers can be categorized in the different ways, just like purpose-wise, principle of operation-wise. According to purpose-wise, computers can be categorized as first one, special purpose computer. A special purpose computer is one that is designed to perform a specific task. The instructions or programs to carry out the task are permanently stored in the machine. For a specific task, this type of computer works efficiently, but such computers are not versatile. As the name states, a special purpose computer are designed to be task specific, and most of the time their jobs is to solve one particular problem. They are also known as dedicated computer because they are dedicated to perform a single task over and over again. Such a computer system would be useful in playing graphics intensive video games, traffic light control system, navigational system in an aircraft, weather forecasting, satellite launch or tracking, oil exploration, and in automotive industries, keeping time in a digital watch or robot helicopter. While a special purpose computer may have many of the same features found in general purpose computer, its applicability to a particular problem is a function of its design rather than to a stored program. The instructions that control it are built directly into the computer, which makes for more efficient and effective operation. They perform only one function and therefore cut down on the amount of memory needed and also the amount of information which can be input into them. So, this is one type of the purpose-wise computer, special purpose computer. The second one is general purpose computer. General purpose computer is one that can work on different type of programs input to it. Thus, be used in countless applications. The programs are not permanently stored but are input at the time of education. These computers are very versatile. Most computers in use today are general purpose computers, those built for great variety of processing jobs. Simply by using a general purpose computer and different software, various tasks can be accomplished, including writing and editing by using word processing software, manipulating facts in database, tracking manufacturing inventory, making scientific calculation, or even controlling organization's security system, electricity consumption, and building temperature. General purpose computers are designed to perform a wide variety of functions and operations. You will probably use this type of computer for watching this video or this article. A general purpose computer is able to perform a wide variety of operations because it can store and execute different programs in its internal storage. So there are two types of purpose-wise computer: general purpose computer and special purpose computer. According to principle of operation-wise, computers can be categorized in three categories: analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. So let's discuss first about analog computer. These computers work with continuous physical quantities such as voltage, current, temperature, etc. That is, they take input in form of volts, ampere, Celsius, etc. But their accuracy is poor as compared to digital counterparts. Analog computers are mostly used in engineering and scientific applications. And the electronic weighing scale is an example of an analog computer. Analog computer that perform arithmetical operations by measurable quantities such as mechanical movement, the rotation of gears rather than by number. In analog computers, data is transmitted for its operation in the form of continuous signal, while in digital computer in the form discrete signals. Examples of analog computers are all the devices that is used to measure temperature, pressure, speed, resistance of capacitor, frequency of signal, and voltage, etc. These all are comes under the category of analog computer. The next one is digital computer. This computer type work with discontinuous data converted into binary form, that is digit 0 and 1, and all operations are carried out on these digits at extremely fast rates. Digital computers are much faster than analog computers and far more accurate. Computers used for business and scientific application are digital computers. Digital computers come variety of forms based on their configurations. The next one is hybrid computer. Hybrid computer utilize the best quality of both digital and analog computers. In this computer, some calculations take place in analog manner and rest of them take place in digital manner. Hybrid computers are best used in hospitals to monitor patient vital signs. Hybrid computers are also used in weather forecasting. Hybrid computers are special purpose computers that combine the best features of analog and digital computers. They have significant capacity to work with digital as well as analog signal. These computers are generally used for scientific application, airplanes, ships, hospitals, and controlling the industrial processes. Hybrid computers used in hospital to measure a patient's vital signs like temperature, heart rate, pulse, etc. Construct into numbers and supplies to digital component that monitor the patient vital signs. Electrocardiogram machine, echocardiogram machine, ultrasound machine, CT scan machine, Holter monitoring machine are the example of hybrid computer. As you learned that analog and hybrid computers perform a specialized tasks, but the digital computers are used almost everywhere in business and scientific applications. So let's discuss about types of digital computers. Purpose wise, digital computer can be a special purpose computer or general purpose computer, but based on their configuration, that is their size, speed and capability, they can be categorized in the following ways. The first one is embedded computers, second microcomputers, third mini computers, fourth mainframe computers, and fifth one supercomputer. So let's start with the embedded computer. These computers are in the form of tiny chips embedded within a circuitry of appliances, such as television, washing machines, and wristwatches. These computers are typically pre-programmed for a specific task, such as tuning to a particular television frequency or keeping accurate time. And next digital computer is microcomputer. A microcomputer is a computer whose CPU is microprocessor. Those are normally single microprocessor, single user system designed for performing basic operations like educational, training, small business applications, playing game, etc. These are mainly used in offices, homes, schools, shops, stores, etc. IBM PCs, Apple Mac, IBM PS/2 are some popular computers of this range. Microcomputer can be further categorized in the four categories. First one, mobile or handheld computers. Second, portable PC. Third, desktop PC. Fourth, workstations. So let's discuss about first mobile and handheld computers. These can be held in hand but have limited capability compared to their bigger counterparts. Smartphones of today are such computers. Second one, portable PC. Bigger than mobile computers, these computers can be easily carried in a briefcase, purse or pockets. For example, laptop, notebooks, PDA, that stands for personal digital assistant, etc. These days, the gap between mobile computers and portable PCs is getting more and more narrower. And the third one, desktop PC. These computers can fit on the top of a desk, so it's known as desktop. Based on their configuration, they can range from home computers to a small business computer to big utility computers. And the fourth and last one, workstations. Workstations are similar to personal computers but have greater memory and more extensive mathematical abilities. And they are connected to other work station or personal computer to exchange data. They are typically found in scientific, industrial, and business environment that require a high level of computational abilities. So these are the type of microcomputers. Now let's discuss about the next digital computer, that's a mini computers. Mini computers, also called mid-range servers, are more powerful computers than microcomputer in terms of processing power and capability. Mini computers are mainly multi-user systems where many users simultaneously work on the system. Mini computers possess greater storage capacity and large memory as compared to microcomputers. These are even capable of handling more input-output devices. A mini computer fills the space between mainframe and microcomputer and is smaller than former but larger than the latter. Mini computers are mainly used as small or mid-range servers operating business and scientific applications. However, the use of term mini computer has diminished and has merged with server. The mini computer may also be called a mid-range computers. Mini computers emerged in mid-1960s and were first developed by IBM Corporation. They were primarily designed for business applications and services that require the performance and efficiency of mainframe computers. Mini computers are generally used as mid-range servers where they can operate mid-sized software applications and support numerous users simultaneously. Mini computers may contain one or more processors, supports multiprocessing and tasking, and are generally resilient to high workload. Although they are smaller than mainframe or supercomputer, mini computers are more powerful than personal computers and workstation. Examples of mini computers are PDP-11, VAX, 7500 Magnum, etc. The next digital computer is mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are designed to handle huge volumes of data and information. These can support more than hundreds users at the same time. These very large and expensive computers have great processing speed and very large storage capacity and memory as compared to mini computers. These computers even possess and work with more than one processor at the same time. Thus, one can say that these are multi-user, multi-processor systems. For mainframe computer, very sophisticated operating systems are needed to control and supervise their operations. Examples of mainframe computers are ICL 39, CDC 6600, VAX 8842, IBM 3090 or 600, etc. And the next digital computer is supercomputer. Supercomputers are most powerful computers among digital computers. These consist of several processors running together, thereby making them immensely faster and powerful. These computers are capable of handling huge amount of calculation that are beyond human capabilities. Supercomputers can perform billions of instructions per second. Some of today's supercomputers have computing capability equal to that of 40,000 microcomputers. They are mainly used in applications like weather forecasting, nuclear science research, aerodynamics modeling, seismology, meteorology, etc. Examples for supercomputers are Cray-X MP14, CDC 215, ETA GF10, etc. And the Indian supercomputers is made in India supercomputer is Param. So that's all for today. In next video we'll start the next chapter. This is the end of your first chapter. In next video we will start this chapter 2. Thank you.